Oh, shit.
Impact detected. Connecting to the
I get you wet right now. I get you hit right now. I get you wet right now. I get you hit right now.
Bravo, Serve Me Rescue, Serve Me Units, accident, right here at County Parkway, south after Braddock. My cruiser was hit, driver was hit. I'm trying to check on injuries.
Tia was headed to her mother-in-law's house on her day off. After waiting patiently for a traffic light to turn green, she proceeded with her left turn, only to be blindsided by a speeding SUV from her left. The Infiniti SUV flew through a red light and T-boned Tia's Jetta, destroying it in the impact. Witnesses claimed the SUV driver never applied the brakes, but that isn't visible in the dashcam video. After the Jetta was totaled, Tia replaced her VW with a cloud blue-wrapped Tesla Model Y named Cindy. She told us her whole family watches our videos, and thanks to us, most of them have dashcams.
World, and the money is there. The money is there and is being spent. The Phillies spent $300 million on Trey Turner. The Padres were willing to give more than that. They're willing to give about $400 million for Aaron Judge. We saw an aging reliever just got from the Red Sox. Jameson Tyone from the Cubs.